If you care about your image quality and video recording, or if you want the experience of the camera, then this phone is perfect for you. Hey guys, this is KRS. You're watching Tech. After getting the good response in Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, they suddenly just announced Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. As per the Sony, the experience about the Sony Xperia Mark 1 was amazing. Talking about the display, you'll get OLED display with 120 Hz, and the size of display is 6.1 inch. And talking about the ratio, you'll get 20:9 aspect ratio, so pretty tall display you'll see in this phone. As we all know, Sony Xperia 1 Mark II was very tall from this, so that's amazing on this phone also. Talking about the OS, you'll get Android 10 out of the box with clean looking stock Android experience, pretty amazing. Talking about the performance, you will get the latest chipset in it is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which is amazing with the power of GPU Adreno 650. With the experience of 865 and 120 Hz, your gaming and quality of the movie experience will be amazing. Talking about the camera, you'll get triple camera slot in the backside, and it is very interesting setup because you'll get triple camera at all three are set up at 12, so there is a no game of 64, 48, or 108. Nowadays many smartphones we can see 64, 48, and 108, but Sony is focused in 12 megapixel each camera, and pretty good performance, even though Apple, Samsung are focused in the 12 or 16 max to max, but they are amazing. Talking about the setup of the camera, you'll get 12 megapixel camera, which is primary camera of 1.7 aperture. You'll get telephoto at 2.4 aperture, and last ultra wide you'll get 2.2 aperture. And in front side you'll get 8 megapixel camera with 2.0 aperture. And talking about why I'm interesting, because it has a pro mode in it. It is very amazing, and just we can say you will have the camera experience. And Sony has specially given shutter button in the phone, which it feels like you are using camera, and it is designed the way the camera you are using. In video recording, in the right side you will get 4K at 120 fps. In front side you will get 1080p at 30 fps. This is also well designed, as Sony has always kept the camera experience, and there is an app in it called the Cinemato Pro. In that you will use and feel like you are using camera and recording on it. Talking about the battery life in this phone, you'll get 4000 mAh battery with the support of 18-watt fast charger inside the box, so it will take some time to charge. Talking about the storage type, you'll get only one storage. If there is another, I will mention down this description. The one is 8 plus 128. You will get UFS 3.0 support, and type C is also 3.1, so pretty amazing. And talking about the thing which is we can't see in the flagship is 3.5 jack is mentioned here. Remember three things in the phone which is amazing. One is the photo pro mode, second is the cinematic mode, and third is the gaming launcher. These three things makes the phone very perfect. The phone comes in four colors, which is black, gray, pink, and blue. Price, as I told you, there is only one variant, which is 8 plus 128 GB. It will be priced around 950. There is some increment in the feature, and there is also some decrement in features. And the price it is coming $950. It's amazing because the successor, which I one Mark II, was more than $1,000. So it will be pretty easy to buy, and not to think much about this phone. Do you like this video? hit the subscribe button, click all on bell notification. Stay safe, stay tuned, and for more video, stay tuned.